Hi, I am Jeremy here at the social media team with Jennifer. She's the education specialist here at the Creation Museum, and we are running an exciting workshop right now. So what is this workshop, Jennifer?
This is our second workshop for our Explore Genetics Day that we're offering today for our students. And in this workshop, they got to do DNA extraction on strawberries, and right now they are looking at their human cheek cells under the microscope.
So let's take a look at some of the children and see what they're doing here. So can you explain a little more about this workshop and the Explore series as a whole?
Sure. Today we're doing Explore Genetics. So every workshop today is focused towards understanding DNA, its structure, looking at our nucleus under the microscope, and then we'll be moving on to heredity and learning about Punnett squares and how chromosomes actually reveal our genetic information.
And these are called the Explore Days. We have Explore Days. We have Explore Genetics, this one. We have others as well, right?
Yes, we do. We offer Explore Forensics and Explore Physical Science. It's coming up in March. We have Explore Zoology in April and Explore Botany in May. And then we are offering 2 Explore Days camps this summer where if you can't make it during the school year, then you can come to one of our Explore camps and get to experience 5 of our Explore Days in just 1 week.
Wow. So how many days is that?
It's 5. Each camp is 5 full days. Each day would focus on a different science topic.
And as I understand it, there's also the opportunity to have it overnight at the Creation Museum as well.
Yes, so if you come to Explore Camp, then on our Explore Astronomy Day, which is on Thursday, you actually get to not only go out to our observatory and look at the stars with our astronomer, Dr. Faulkner, but then you get to spend the night in the museum and play some archery tag.
That sounds cool.
Mm-hmm.
So what ages is this for?
This is for grades 4th through 12th grade.
Okay, cool. So if you're interested in having your children be a part of something exciting, fun, from a biblical perspective and learn about science, then this is the place for you.
Yes, it is. The kids are having a great time, as you can see today. So
cool. Is there anything else that I didn't ask?
Did you want to experience the lab yourself?
Yes.
Oh, that'd be fantastic. So come over here. So what we need you to do, Jeremy, is to have a seat right here.
Okay.
And we're going to take a look at your cheek cells under the microscope. So you can go ahead and take a toothpick from our little kit here.
Right.
We always have all our supplies ready for our students. Mm-hmm. So you're going to swab your cheek for about 20 seconds with the toothpick. You kind of want to rub it because we want to gather those cells onto the toothpick. And then
Excuse me, I'm swapping my cheek.
And then you're going to take a microscope slide, and you're going to just rub your cells onto that microscope slide. Now, if we tried to look at that under the microscope, it'd be very difficult to see. So what we do is usually stain things so that we can see them better. Mm-hmm. So you're going to take the blue stain that's in your box here. You're just going to add 1 drop to that area where you put the smear. And we'll put a cover slip over the top of that.
1 drop?
Mm-hmm, 1 drop. And then you want to place the cover slip over the top. And now we're ready to look at your cheek cells under the microscope. So you can go ahead and place it onto the stage of the microscope. Let me push this. Hold the clip back here. There you go. Stick it in there. Let's move this to focus. Okay. All right. Now go ahead and use the knobs over here to get that under the light source. You can do that over here. Let's move this over here for you, like that.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Now you're ready to get a focus. So go ahead and take a look through there, and you can move your coarse adjustment knob up until you get into focus. And if you have it focused correctly, you should be able to see your cheek cells. And if you look inside, there's a very, very dark spot, and that is the nucleus where your DNA is located.
Wow. So I wish you could see what I'm seeing, but I am seeing specks. I assume those are my cheek cells.
Probably your cheek cells, yes. And inside of that is a little dark blue speck, and that is the nucleus, and that is where your DNA is found.
Yep.
And that's what makes you unique and makes you you, and God put that information in there that gives you unique trace different from anyone else in the world.
This is really cool. So I encourage you to come out, check this out. We have many different topics, as you mentioned. Can you explain the topics again? There was genetics. This is genetics.
Yes, we have forensics, where we spend a whole day looking at different ways to process fingerprints and forensic entomology. We're going to be doing Explore Physical Science in March with our astronomer, Dr. Danny Faulkner, is going to be heading that up, where we're actually going to get to look at magnetism, waves, and how they operate. We're going to be looking through spectroscopes and learning how to measure the wavelengths of light, so that one's going to be a lot of fun. And then in our zoology in April, the kids are actually going to be building enrichment toys for the animals in the petting zoo, and they're actually going to get to go take those toys out to the animals and get to see how they interact with those. So our Explore Zoology in April is going to be a lot of fun.
So there's many different topics, and I know there's children are interested in all sorts of different things, whether it be science, whether it be, animals or things of that nature. I encourage you to check out the topics at our website, creationmuseum.org/explore. That's creationmuseum.org/explore. And there should be a link there as well, pinned to the live stream that you can click on. See all the topics there. Make sure to check out our Explore camps as well. And just whatever you're interested in, apply for. They fill up pretty quickly, don't they?
They've been selling out. We've been selling out every month. So if you're interested in registering for a certain topic, we recommend you do that soon.
So do it soon, register, and come check it out.